Mutton Rezala is a popular and rich Mughlai dish known for its aromatic spices and creamy gravy. This dish is a blend of tender mutton cooked in a flavorful white sauce made with yogurt, poppy seeds, and cashew paste, making it a perfect accompaniment to naan, paratha, or pulao. Here's the step-by-step recipe to prepare mutton rezala at home. Ingredients: mutton 1 kg cut into medium pieces, onions 3 large thinly sliced, yogurt 1 cup, whisk, ginger paste 1 tablespoon, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, green chilies for 2-5 slit, poppy seeds couscous 2 tablespoons soaked in water, cashew nuts 10 to 12 soaked in water, bay leaves 2 cinnamon stick 2 piece, green cardamom for 2-5 cloves, 3 to 4 black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon nutmeg powder, 1/4 teaspoon mace javitri powder, 1/4 teaspoon ghee, 4 tablespoons mustard oil, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt to taste, warm water as needed. Instructions: 1. Marinate the mutton. Clean the mutton pieces thoroughly and pat them dry. Marinate with 1/2 cup of whisked yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, and some salt. Let it marinate for at least 2 hours for best results. Marinate overnight in the refrigerator. 2. Prepare the pasta. Grind the soaked poppy seeds and cashew nuts into a smooth paste by adding a little water. 3. Cook the mutton. Heat a heavy bottom pan or pot. Add mustard oil and let it smoke on medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee to the hot oil for extra flavor. Once the oil is hot, add bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, green cardamoms, cloves, and black peppercorns. Sauté for a few seconds until aromatic. Add the thinly sliced onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. Add the marinated mutton pieces and cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until the mutton changes color and releases its juices. 4. Add spices and pasta, the poppy seed and cashew paste. Mix well and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Add the remaining 1/2 cup of whisked yogurt gradually while stirring continuously to prevent curdling. Add sliced green chilies, white pepper powder, nutmeg, and mace powder. Mix everything well. Add sugar and adjust salt as per taste. 5. Simmer the curry. Add warm water, about 1 to 2 cups, to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Cover the pot and let it simmer on low heat for about 30 to 40 minutes until the mutton is tender. Stir occasionally and add more water if needed to prevent the gravy from drying out. 6. Finish with ghee. Once the mutton is fully cooked and the oil starts to separate from the gravy, add the remaining ghee. Mix well and cook for another 5 minutes. 7. Serve it. Turn off the heat and let the mutton rest for 10 minutes before serving. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves, optional, and serve hot with naan, paratha, or steamed rice.